at the new Phuket Airport Terminal. And we're just going to be following Maro as we show you how to arrive at Phuket Airport. This airport terminal opened up recently, or at least 2 years ago, a little bit after 2 years ago. We were here 2 years ago, it hadn't opened yet. I'm just following Maro now and everybody else. See how we do this. Very impressive looking new building. Let's see how we shouldn't have to pass any immigration because we came from Bangkok where we already passed immigration. So we should just be heading down to the baggage area. At this point in time, I'm just following all the other passengers. Where they're going. I haven't seen any signs yet. I can see right down there to the end, people are just walking. So that's probably our direction. Maro can just speed up a little bit more maybe. Pass them, baggage claim. Is that here? International?
Yellow sticker is
Yes, thank you. Okay, because of our sticker, the baggage claim identified us because of the stickers on our chests that we had to go this way. Is that baggage claim? That was baggage claim. We just went in and around.
Yeah, because our packages are coming all the way.
Yeah, and now we're following the signs. Very nice area. Some nice new duty-free shops I can see down there too. And straight ahead down to the end.
I wanted to take that off already.
Indeed you did. Indeed you did. There's always a purpose for the stickers. So remember that those stickers they give you at Bangkok Airport, if you come in from there, Suvarnabhumi Airport, don't take the sticker off your shirt. That's how they identify which direction you must go. Also to fetch your baggage. We're coming up now on international baggage. It's a left turn. Nice new area. Very modern. Here we come. And baggage. International baggage claim down and to the right. Yes, very practical indeed. And baggage arrival. So all we have to do now is find out which belt it's on. Thai TG217 down there. So if you get a trolley, Maro, it's a little shop here also. Little shops, very nice compared to how it used to be. Maro, let's go down where the baggage comes out from the conveyor belt and stand there. So our luggage will be on belt number 4, as far as I could see, and TG217. There's currency exchange for those of you who want to do it. You can also see there's customs down at the end. And TG217. Maro is going the right way. Where are you going? Aha, okay. Yes. TG217, so you look up at the signs. And then you can see it's written. Remember there could be code share flight numbers, so wait for your own airline. And then you'll see your flight number. That's our flight number, TG217. So I'm going to go down to Maro as we wait for our luggage for it to start coming out. Well, it might be down there on that end. Now the question is whether it is there or whether it's down there.
Well, you can see how it goes here like that. It doesn't go.
Yeah, well, it's one big thing. So now with the Phuket International Airport sign in the background behind us, let's just say that we're here. Here in Phuket, and we're just waiting for the belt to start so we can get the luggage. So as soon as it started, we'll come back to you again and watch Maro catching the luggage and putting it on the trolley, which we just got over here. And this is the label that you must remember to keep on your shirt until you get to the airport or until you get out. You are identified by this sticker and told which direction to go and get your baggage. Maro wanted to take it off in Bangkok. We almost had a little argument about it. I said keep it till we're out of here. I was correct.
I thought we needed it only in Bangkok, but it was actually needed here.
It was needed here,
Yeah.
indeed. But they didn't tell us that.
No,
so I'm
they
sure
did
many
not.
people take it off.
Yeah, because I didn't see many people having this one.
No, they didn't. I'll just make a quick video, a little circle around me, just to give those of you an idea of what it looks like, those who haven't been here, and those who haven't seen the new airport yet. See a few shops over there. There's also some currency exchange. And I'm betting that we're standing in the wrong position. Everybody else is at the other entrance. But this is what it looks like. So it turns out we were in the wrong end. I was correct. And there comes the luggage. Just waiting for it. And one luggage, and there's the other. Lovely. Oh, of course it is. Is it there?
It's just open.
Okay, I'll just put it to the side. So now we got our luggage. So the next step is we got to pass through customs, which we have to do anyway. And then we got to go out and find a taxi in the arrivals area.
Aber ich werde es nicht, fliegt es nicht rein. Doch, dann habe ich extra was, dass man lernt.
So I'm just going to follow Mara until we get to customs. And then I'll turn the camera off and I'll turn it on again once we've passed through customs. So we got to go through the nothing to declare area. And we're just arriving here. And this is the new arrivals area. What it looks like. Now we got to find us a taxi desk somewhere along the way. Yeah, we go there. I just want to film this way so people can see what it looks like. It's the arrivals area of Phuket International Airport. Just going to turn our camera around. We're going to go and see what the bus or what the taxi costs. We want a private taxi and normally it costs 800 bahts. We got to check the price. Patong 180 bahts. That's probably a minibus. And over there, Patong.
How many people?
Price of minibus 150.
Yeah, you pay here.
Patong 180. Yes, lovely. And we chose to use taxi service minibus. Just by the entrance, and the price was the same as we paid. Number 5. Yeah? Katkum Kap. So now we got our taxi. What do you say? Number 5 gates or what?
Exit 5.
Exit 5. Okay. So now we're heading for exit number 5. And that's where our taxi driver will be waiting. Did you pay for it already? It's paid. So it's a prepaid taxi. You get a receipt for it. Now we just have to go and find the taxi driver. I wouldn't mind using the lavatory before. You need also.
Because you don't know how
Yeah.
long it takes.
The traffic can take very long, especially in the evening when we've arrived. So you could be sitting for a long time in the taxi. So I would recommend that if you have the chance and the time, go and use the lavatory before you take your taxi. It's not fun to sit bursting for the loo while you're inside the taxi. It's a nice looking terminal they've made here, I must say. This arrivals area. And then we have the toilet just ahead. This is what our taxi coupon looks like. Remember, this is for a taxi, it's not for a minibus. We paid 800 bahts for a trip to Patong Beach. You must remember that prices can be different depending on where you're driving to. Now to find the taxi driver. And straight ahead I can see the taxi minibus service. It's a lovely airport. Just want to show for a moment. It's really gotten very nice, this airport. Just following Maro to the taxi driver. And in just a minute we're going to be ending this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, if you found it helpful, please leave us a like. Share the video and please subscribe. Now we just gotta wait for the taxi.
Nice and warm.
It's lovely.
Oh.
There's a quick look at what the arrivals area is looking like. For the new terminal building. It's looking really good and very undercover if there should come rain. If you haven't already booked your taxi, it looks like you can do it outside here also. You feel the warmth of Phuket here. Now we're going to head to our taxi number 7. And I guess we're going to pull our luggage there manually. Ah, there we go. So, okay. Someone will help you with your luggage to the taxi.
Can I just leave this one here?
Number 7 is there.